Hey guys, so after our chat last week about the G360 polishers, I was aware that I did need to upgrade my machine polisher. So I sort of listened to what a few of you said, and I've been looking at the Farecla for a while, and I decided to take the leap and get one. So this has just turned up. It's the Farecla G Plus mop, and it's the rotary version, not the orbital. You get in the kit the actual machine polish itself, a side handle, a spanner set, a spare set of brushes, which I must remember where I put those because I have a tendency to lose them, and obviously the backing pad for your Velcro backing pad. And it comes with a 5-meter cable. It's got variable speed, so I'm looking forward to using that, which is great depending on the polishers you use. So yeah, I'm going to post a couple of stills now, and thanks for everyone for contributing.